Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to create new folders to help with the organization of your spatial data and maps. As you create your map projects, you will soon find that you will have many files associated with each project or map. To better support your workflow, it will be easier to navigate and utilize specific files when you have them organized into folders. If you have a new map and try to save it, your options for saving the map will include the default folder title with your name or the class folders that you're currently or were previously enrolled in. But you can also save it under a new folder. So when you save your project, perhaps take a moment to think about your data and map organizational structure. To create your own folder, you can simply navigate to the Content tab, located at the 6th tab from the left within the white panel at the top of your screen. Once you are in the Content tab, you can create a new folder by clicking on the plus sign button on top of the folder on the left-hand side of your screen. Give your folder a name and press OK. Your new folder will appear on the left side of your screen and under the Folders section. Now, return to your map. Click Map in the top white panel. Click Save, then Save As. Fill in the title and select your folder by clicking the field. It will show a drop-down menu of your existing folders. Select the folder name you created and click Save Map. If you want to check where you save your work, you must return to Content. Click Home at the top left corner of your screen, click Content, then, if necessary, click on your newly created folder to see your map saved under it. And that's it! Now you know how to create a new folder to help you organize your maps and associated files. Be sure to check out our other videos.